In the new Trinity string syllabus, there are 5 of the pieces from Take Your Bow across all of the instruments: violin, viola, cello and double bass. The title for Bossy Boots came from the fact that I use the word bossy quite a lot with beginner strings, because I find that it gets them to move their bow with conviction when they play and creates an instant buzz in the sound.
Pre-prep strings are going to play you
Bossy Boots!
I like Bossy Boots because it's lively. I like Bossy Boots because it makes me learn new notes.
I liked Bossy Boots because I like the slow and quick notes.